I would like to start with Miss Sinet. There we go.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you.
Thank you. Yeah, my name is Sinead. I'm from Ireland. I work in a school called Helping Hands. So we have 32 students aged between 2 and 6, but out of the 32, we have about 15 children with additional needs. So Jolly Phonics works across the board.
Yeah, it work wonder for the children with dyslexia and special need, and also it give instant result right after we finish with our group number 1. The results are like excellent. Like there are still researches are going on Jolly Phonics UK and Jolly Learning, so things are very great. All right.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jeanette. All right, next is Jolly. You are on mute.
Oh, me, Joelle. All right. Hi everyone. My name is Joelle. I'm from Malaysia. I'm working in Kingsley International School right now. I'm the homeroom teacher for year 2. So basically, I teach 6 to 8 between 6 to 8 years old. Yes. My expectation for this workshop is I'm able, because I'm teaching English as well, so I'm able to deliver the knowledge better to my students.
All right. Thank you, Joelle. All
you.
right. Next, I would like to have Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. We can't hear you. Still can't. It's okay. You can fix your voice button, and I'll move on to next, which is Miss Muzmal. Hi. We can't hear you as well. You are not on mute, but I think the mic is off. Yeah, I think now I can hear you.
Hello?
Hi,
Can you hear me?
Yeah, good to go.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Hello? Yeah. Okay, hello, my name is Maizatul Akmal and Mal. You can call me Mal, and I'm a teacher for special needs student at private kini in KL.
All right. And what are your expectations from Jolly Phonics workshop?
So my expectation is, I got to deliver better to my students.
Using Jolly Phonics way. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mas. All right, next we can move to Iman Fawaz.
Yes. Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. My name is Fawaz. I'm from Malaysia. I'm currently associated with Little Building Blocks Home-Based Childcare Center. I'm taking over as the owner from my late mother, who was a tutor who practiced Jolly Phonics for very long and actually received great results in terms of students' reading capabilities at a young age. I will be taking over a childcare center, so I'm interested in learning about how phonics can be applied better in early childhood education within young ages, to get them to start reading at the age of 5, 6, to read fluently, and how phonics can be how early it can be implemented, and how using the sounds and all that things.
Yeah, sure. So Jolly Phonics, we can start as early as like 3 to 3.5 years.
Right.
So like currently I take child classes also, and there are very, very young kids like 3.5 years also, and they are like excellent at recognition of the sounds and like 3-letter words blending. All right, great. So thank you, Iman. All right, next one. Can we move to Miss Evelina Arnold? Hi, Evelina.
Yes, sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Evelina. I'm from Poland, but I'm teaching in Kingsley International School in Malaysia. I am a homeroom teacher for year 6, but I'm teaching English as second language to our foreign students. So actually, Jolly Phonics will be very useful for me because I have many students from China or Korea who struggle with pronouncing the English sounds.
Pronouncing and as well as like it helps a lot in spelling formation.
Yes, reading is very big struggle for them.
Day 2, we will be doing all the spelling rules and which will help kids. All right, great. Thank you, Evelina.
Thank you.
Can I move to Mariam? Hi, Miss Mariam. Unmute.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Mariam Hafsa. I'm an occupational therapist and also I'm a freelance occupational therapist. One of the places that I work is inclusive school. Inclusive school. So I expect to gain a better knowledge and understanding in terms of how to teach kids with special needs to learn better for reading.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Mariam.
All right.
Next one, I would like to Cindy, Miss Cindy Chan. Hi.
Hi everyone, my name is Cindy. I'm from Malaysia. I'm also working in Kingsley International School. So from these Jolly Phonics lessons, I hope I'll be able to use, because I'm teaching younger age children, so I hope that I will be able to use the phonics to teach them how to read and also even read better and to recognize words.
Read and write correctly. So you are with early years or like year 1, year 2, elementary?
Year 1, year 2. I'm teaching year 2, lower primary.
All
So
right.
they are actually learning how to read.
All right. Yeah. Great. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Miss Cindy. Next one, can we move to Miss Carmen?
Hi, I'm Carmen from Malaysia. I'm occupational therapist who work in a private kindy. So in this course, I hope to know how to make sure our children, especially special needs, is ready for reading.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Miss Carmen. All right. Thank you very much. Next one, can we move to Miss Jasmine?
Okay, hi everyone. Can you hear me?
Yeah, can hear you.
Okay, yeah, hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm from Malaysia. I'm also a teacher from Kingsley International School. I'm a year 1 teacher. So what I expect from this training is to learn the sounds better, to gain more knowledge so that I can deliver the correct method, because at that my students are basically 5 to 6 years old. So yeah, it's easy for them to blend if they know the sounds.
Yeah. So like it's easy for them, like how we are going to teach them the correct way of learning English, not like the old traditional way which we have learned, which we are going to cover today as well. All right. Thank you, Miss Jasmine. Next one, Mr. Woon Wang. I know your mic is not working, but still, I know you're.
My mic is working. I just don't have a webcam. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear.
All right. My name is Wing Hong. You can just call me Hong. I'm from Malaysia and I'm a teacher at a tuition center. My expectation from Jolly Phonics is I want to learn a more fun and interactive way to teach youngers how to learn phonics.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you, Hong. All right. Next one is Miss Yufei. Hi.
Hi everyone. I'm Yufei from the Children's House International School as well. And then actually, I went to early childhood education in diploma, but then they never teach me about phonics. I learned it from my colleague, and because I'm learning in my teaching center is Montessori basis, so that they're very emphasized on phonics, blending sound. So I want to learn better. And then I want to learn more on blending sound, because phonics sound I actually will learn from my colleague, but just blend things out. I'm a bit worried that I will blend wrongly or.
All right. Thank you. All right. So we are done with our introduction.